Hi, everybody. I want to thank you for your continued support and your continued discussion in the comments. It's very lively and interesting to read. I really appreciate it all. Now, I'm just making this quick video to see what your suggestions for topics might be. Now, I have a long list of potential topics and videos to make, but I just want to see what the viewers want. So, in this video, I want you to leave a comment and write out the topic that you want. And also, if you see a topic that you like or dislike, upvote or downvote the comment so we can get the best, most wanted topics to the top, and I can make a video about that. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Keep watching, keep liking, subscribing. I appreciate it all. Put the comment down below for your topic, and I'll try to get to it. See you next time. Bye-bye.